Is your teen out of control? Staying out all night? Cutting school? Well, here's your chance to turn your teen around. With the power of dance, a new video that shows you how to embarrass your teen into submission using all the hottest dance moves from the 90s till now.
This DVD was everything. It's been the best thing that's ever happened to me and my son. Isn't that right, baby?
Yeah, whatever, just don't dance.
What? Well, I can't make any promises to you. Where you going? You like that, huh?
His unique street-style dance approach to teen behavior has been used in high schools, detention centers, and correctional facilities around the world. Dancing is all about embarrassing your kids, and teens will do anything to make you stop. Now you can use that same psychological trauma to get your teen on track with my new video. All right, so we're gonna do the twerk. Okay, so what you're gonna do first, put your hands up just like this. All right, thumbs go down for your twerking hands. All right, now put them right above your knees, right? Now arch your back like a cat. All right, now stick your booty out. Arch your back, stick your booty out. All right, now fast. Good job, guys, good job. Now these fresh moves are available for you to learn on The Power of Dance. Plus, Tyrone will show you the club dance routine from one of today's hottest songs. All right, on 2, I want you to jump up. You saw rat. 1 and 2 and jump. Oh, rat. Oh, now your back hurts. I break it down so you can learn the dances at your own speed. You ain't got no girlfriend. Exactly. All right, yeah. You going home to nobody.
I always knew that dancing in front of my daughter would scar her for life. I just didn't know what moves to do. And finally, one day, I danced in public in front of her and her friends.
You ain't know? Your mama's hip now, girl. Your mama's hip now, girl.
She is like a new person now. She changed her name to Jessica, she requested a transfer to a new school, and she is a straight A student.
Turn up and get crunk with The Power of Dance. To order, call the number on your screen or go online. Please dance responsibly and keep all sharp objects away from teens when using this product.